Man, it's electric in here. Good morning. It is an early one. Not too early, but all right, ladies and gents, I'm not quite awake yet, but all I know is we're going to catch some brown trout with salted minnows. That's the plan.
That's a size fish will catch. They're not huge, but they're nice.
You let us fish first. Couldn't get anything. First cast, he gets one. Sweet. He's gone again. Yes, sir. No.
This one might be a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is a little bit bigger.
Nice one. Sweet. Heck yeah. Definitely a little bit nicer.
Yeah, a little bit bigger.
Perfect right in the corner.
Yep.
Came right out.
Beautiful.
Good stuff. Awesome.
All right, when you guys come up here and fish?
You got the GoPro, Larry. I'll give it a shot right here. I'm gonna get one down here. What are you thinking?
Just get so that you get on the other side of the, well, not in the tree, right there, right where it landed.
Okay.
Just have it come down through here.
All right.
All right?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think the Walmart Bob minnows are doing it justice.
It's a good thing you turned around and went and got yours. Yeah, these are real salty.
Yeah, ours are not even close to that. Can I try one?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All right, now it's game on.
All right. Okay, yeah, these aren't as stiff. These feel a lot nicer. Oh yeah? First cast with it. Yeah, it's definitely the minnow.
It is.
Yeah, we are definitely not using the right kind of minnow.
There it is.
You got a brookie.
Nice. Oh no, I think
He's a brookie, isn't he?
Yep.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
Heck yeah,
What a
man.
nice
Makes
fish.
a brook trout. First
brook
one?
trout, first cast with the actual salted minnow. Thank you, Mr. Ralph.
Yep.
Is that your first brook trout ever?
I think so.
I don't
Beautiful
think.
colors.
Yeah.
Oh, they're beautiful. Yep.
Sweet, good stuff.
They're beautiful.
Awesome. It literally hit the water and with that minnow and caught it. Like as soon as it touched the water.
Yeah, we were definitely not using the right minnows.
Nah, Walmart, not good.
Yep, first cast. First cast.
Did you see that? You need a minnow?
I do. Let's see if we can get anything with some size now. There's one.
Nice.
Larry's got the combination now. He ain't taking no prisoners, Larry.
Another one on the board.
He's taking no prisoners.
I'd like to catch one with some size now. You could just see them stacked up in here. It's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
They're all just stacked up in this pool right here, this deep little pocket. And I'm getting hit like every cast now since I got the good minnows. So you see that little rock is right there? Yeah, cast it right at that and then literally watch it flow down here. Once it gets in here, start reeling it in, you're literally gonna see 4 brown trout like chasing it.
Yep. Now watch it go down to the left and then just reel it in a little bit. Watch the trout. Literally, they're gonna don't set the hook towards me though.
I don't see anything.
Okay.
Oh,
that?
I feel it though.
What was that? What was that?
Oh,
you
he
said?
came off.
That's what you get. Yes, sir. Larry's got one.
You guys having fun yet?
Yes, sir. I only caught one and I'm having fun. Nice fish, Larry. 12-incher or so.
I'm gonna take Nick up above.
Where are we going?
Larry's staying here.
Oh, Larry's smoking them.
This one feels nicer.
Let him swim. There you go. Beautiful. Kicking ass. I'm cool fishing right here. I'm loving it.
Okay.
Larry's smacking them. But I'll go up top though. Heck yeah.
Biggest one of the day for me. Sweet. Oh, there he goes. A little prematurely.
Well, that's the cast. You're gonna get one off the bank.
Man, it's electric in here.
Larry's onto it.
Yep. Perfect fish. I don't ever want to go home.
Look at that one.
That's an awesome fish. Good scoop and score.
That's what we're doing today. Yeah, he came right off that bank there and just ate it up, dude. You were right. I have literally never fished with these before. And they're all of a sudden the best thing to use for brown trout. They smell just like awful. In case you were wondering. Oh, there's one. But look at that, they just smoke it. I mean, you can't argue with that. It's a better one. It's a pretty one. Oh, come on. You lose one? Nick sucks. Easy out. Just a beauty. See you, bud. Thank God for Ralph. He just put us on the fish today. All right, guys, so just hooking up another salted minnow here. Larry's catching a lot of trout. Ralph's catching a lot of trout. Got one brook trout. Good morning so far. Stick with us.
A lot of luck. Oh, he wants it so bad. He's already chasing it.
Yes, sir.
They finished up these finally. Just such a pretty fish.
Look at the red colors. How awesome is that fish? Let's get him back. Keep him healthy. Good stuff.
Yes, I did.
Sweet. Good stuff, Ralph. Oh, he wants to go bad. This water's so clear, I can't believe it. It's beautiful
It
here.
is clear.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Good one.
Oh, he ate it down good. Thank you, Ralph.
I had to get into it.
It was slow. I know. I couldn't get one.
Somehow.
Yep. He's
These guys have been whooping me today. Yep. Smoked it. Get off the rocks, buddy. Don't want to stress you out too bad here. Quick out, hopefully. Yeah. All right. Calm down, calm down. Another awesome brown. We're at spot number 2 now. Hello. Right up in here, Ralph?
All that strip, he said. Yep.
Okie doke.
You gotta get smoked right now. Boom! Oh, already snagged.
Oh, I just got smoked out of the snag. Holy crap. And now I'm snagged again. What the hell was that? Yeah, he was on there, and now I'm back in a snag. That was the craziest shit I've ever seen. How has no one caught one yet, though?
I don't know, I want to go back over to their spot.
Yep.
Good try.
Finally.
That's a good one. That's a good fish.
Is it?
Looks good. Finally.
No!
Oh, wow.
I did not get the best hook set on him, can't lie.
Fish.
Hello. Spot number 3.
It looks good.
It looks great to me.
Yeah, I would say one fish here and float it over that, see that big rock right
Yep.
there, that brown rock? Float it over that, throw it up there and float it over that rock down there, you'll get a fish. You'll get a fish right in there.
All right, Ralph.
So do that. The other one, the other guy, I would move him up just this side of the rapids, throw it against that shore and have it come down and you should hit a fish right there. Now throw it, right there. Throw it. Yep, now let it come down between that rock. Let it come down.
Oh, I got hit. Oh yeah, I just watched him eat my minnow. I got hit immediately.
Yeah, I told you.
Ralph, you know where the fish are. I didn't doubt you for 1 minute. Oh, I do see that line hanging there, yeah.
Careful with the snag on there.
There we go. Didn't miss him that time.
Look at him go, swimming straight downstream.
Oh yeah. Oh, don't get rub on that rock. He's on that rock. Ralph, you put us on the fish. I appreciate you.
Oh, that's a beauty. That's
Beauty.
a nice 2-year-old. That's
Yeah.
a nice fish.
Just inhaled it.
Easy there, Breezy.
Come on. Take your time now.
He'll come back. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a beauty, Larry. I hope you got a picture of that one.
Yeah, Nick, let's get a picture of it. Look, it's right in the corner. I don't know why I can't get it out.
You need pliers?
No, I got it.
He got it. Okay, here we go.
And there he goes.
Whoa, whoa,
There he goes. He found his way.
baby.
Well, shit. Let's get back on him. Didn't take us long the first few casts. Hopefully it doesn't slow down now. Ooh, I'm getting risky with that tree. There we go. He was right behind that rock.
Yep, that's where we should have been.
Right on the other side.
That's where we should have been.
Oh, right there.
Quick release.
Quick release.
Quick release. It's all right. We'll count it as a fish.
Yeah, we'll count it.
Good one. Oh, yeah.
On the last cast for Ralph.
That's it for me.
What a beauty.
You guys can have all the rest of them,
What
believe
a
me.
beauty.
It's a good way to end it.
Yeah. That's why I just wanted to get a fish.
Oh yeah.
Nice size.
Definitely for a 2-year-old.
Yep, that's just what he is. He's a 2-year-old.
Good stuff.
Okay.
Well, we appreciate you putting us on the fish like you did today. It was a blast.
I'm glad you guys were able to get into some. I hope you have a good rest of your day too.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Ralph.
Awesome.
Have fun.
Yeah, we have had a lot of freaking fun already. I appreciate it.
Do it again.
Anytime.
Yeah.
What a great guy. So we're leaving spot number 3 right now. We're gonna try one more and see if that one produces. And if not, we're just gonna end it and go home. But
Yeah, hopefully we get into some more, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back at the first spot. We're gonna give it a go.
yeah, we decided that this was the most productive out of everywhere. So we looked around at some other spots, but we just came to the conclusion that we want to be right back where we started. So we'll give it a few more casts and then we'll probably head out of here.
Oh, look at drag set at. Trash drag. Got him. What a great way to end the day. Beautiful fish. Got a couple times, you can see his lip here.
You see it inside there. Beautiful fish though. Put the release on him. All right, guys, so we're wrapping it up now. It was just a great overall day. Weather was amazing. Fish were biting. It was awesome. Shout out to Ralph.
Yep, shout out
He
Ralph.
put us on the fish. We definitely would not have been able to do this without him. And hopefully we can get back here and make future videos here because this is a great spot. And it was a lot of fun making it today. So stick around.